Well, everyone, as most of you know, iOS 26.1 is that new version of software that just came out. But I'm going to give you a couple of different reasons why I would highly recommend not installing this particular version of software. I think there's three main reasons why I would highly recommend not installing this. Number one, it still is going to be kind of a trial run for Apple. They're still taking their time on releasing certain updates and certain features, and I do think it's probably not in the best interest for every single person out there to install this update. I do think it could make some sense for some people to install it, but because Apple's not pushing out updates at a faster rate, you're going to be kind of stuck on this software version that's not really going to be that, great. So that's kind of the number one thing, is that Apple's not really pushing out too many updates for there to be like massive security pushes from what I can tell. Now, on top of that, another big thing that's going on here too is that from what I'm seeing too, I do kind of think for the most part, the stability of this software update really isn't that good either. So, there's a bunch of lag, there's a bunch of performance issues that are kind of going on as well. And I feel like that right there is another very big problem that's going around with iOS 26.1 as well. It's just the stability of it really isn't that great, and I feel like that in and of itself is a problem. Now, I would say on top of that, one of the bigger issues here too is that basically when it comes down to the battery life of these updates, they're really not going to be that great either. The battery life of these updates are really kind of running into some issues too. They're really not that great. And that right there is also going to be another one of those types of problems that you might run into as well. Again, it's not going to be the biggest end all be all of all time, but it is going to be one of those types of situations where you might run into, and the battery life is going to be one of those types of problems that might end up happening as well. So kind of keep that in mind, but that's kind of three different reasons why I wouldn't recommend installing this type of update. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.